Last stage, we fine-tuned a model and turned it into a real service. And I ended on one line. A fine-tuned model is only as useful as its context window. So this stage is about that window. And the first thing to unlearn is the idea that a prompt is one box you type into. A prompt is a stack. Here are the layers: system, the persistent job description and the rules, user. This turns actual task and data. Assistant, everything the model already said. And tool, results that came back from the world. 4 roles stacked, every single call. The model reads all of it as one stream. Now, how many examples do you show it? 0 shot is just the instruction, no examples, cheapest. Few short pates in one or a few worked examples to teach the format and the edge cases. The catch, every example is permanent token cost on every call. On modern instruction-tuned models, a well-structured 0 shot prompt often matches few shot. So, add examples for format, not out of habit. Chain of thought, ask the model to think step by step before answering. And multi-step math and logic get better. But here's the modern twist. Reasoning models like DeepSeek R1 already do this internally. They prompt themselves, telling an R1 to think step by step, or pasting few short examples is redundant and can actually hurt. R1's own card says no system prompt, no examples, just describe the task in the output format. And the system prompt has an altitude. Too low and you hardcode brittle if then rules into it. Too high and it's vague. Be helpful and accurate tells the model nothing. The right altitude is specific behavior plus strong heuristics organized with headers in the fewest tokens that fully specify what you want. One caveat to hold on to: the visible chain of thought is a useful artifact, not a guaranteed audit trail of what the model actually computed. Let me assemble a real prompt stack on screen, layer by layer, and then show where the model call plugs in. Start with the system layer at the bottom, the persistent contract. You are a strict JSON extractor, never invent fields. One layer sent once applies to the whole conversation. Stack the few short examples on top, 2 worked pairs, user then assistant, teaching the exact output shape. Notice they sit above the system layer and below the live query. Now the live user turn lands on top, the actual question for this call. The whole stack, system examples history user, serializes through the chat template into one token stream and goes to the model. The model returns the assistant turn, which becomes history for the next call. So that's the stack: roles, shots, chain of thought, the right altitude. But notice what we didn't guarantee. The model returned text, and text can be malformed. When you need JSON, your code can parse every single time. Hoping is not a plan. Next, how to make the output guaranteed valid on NIM. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.